Hey mother truckers, it's your girl Isabella coming back at you with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be doing a 5-minute makeup routine, a 5-minute everyday makeup routine that you could wear to school, out with your friends, just something simple. In the morning, I wake up late so I don't have time to do my makeup, but I still want to look nice, so let's get into it. First, I'm going to start off by taking my makeup off from today. It's 6 o'clock right now. I got home from school a while ago, so I'm just going to take off this makeup and then reapply the exact same makeup. So to start off, I'm going to grab the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. So everyone, how's life? How's school? How's it going? I'm doing absolutely terrible. I have an art project that I'm not even close to being finished with, and it's due tomorrow, so rest in peace. I'm gonna bust a big fat nut. And then I also have a history project due tomorrow that I've started, but it's a really long project, and I just found out about it yesterday, and it's due tomorrow. Next for makeup, I'm shook. Next, I'm gonna grab the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea concealer in the shade Light Medium Neutral. And this one is kind of dark for me, but I got back from vacation not too long ago, so it still kind of works on me. And then I grab my Dirty Beauty blender and I just dab that all over my face. I am deceased. Next, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia contour kit in the shade Light to Medium, and it's the powdered one. And to set my under eyes, I just grab that beauty blender and dab it under my eyes again to get rid of the creases. And then I take my finger and mix these two shades together, this one and this one. And I put that on. Next, I'm going to grab this powder brush and I'm going to dip it in these two shades again, and this and this. And now I'm going to put that all over my face to set my whole face. I like to use the Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. I just mix them together because they're lighter shades, and I just put that on my cheekbones, my nose, and like on my brow bone. Guys, I'm very excited because March break is pretty much tomorrow. So tomorrow's Friday, and then the whole next week we get off, and I'm so excited. And I'm so excited to hang out with friends every day and to just chill, because honestly, I need a break from school. When I'm running really late, I don't really fill in my eyebrows with the dip brow, so I grab all 3 of the contour shades in the palette and I just dip it in like twice for each one, and I kind of just fill in my eyebrows with that really quickly, just so they look a little bit thicker like me. I'm joking, I'm not thick whatsoever. And then on the inner corners of my eyes to highlight. I'm going to try to blend it out on the inner corner so that it doesn't look like eye boogers. So the mascara that I always wear is in my backpack because I was running late for school today. But this is my other favorite mascara, so we're going to use this today. This is the Purple Volume Stylist Mascara. I literally hate it when when this happens, when mascara gets all over my face. So we're going to try that again without getting it on my face. And to finish off my look, I usually put on either lip gloss or a really nude lipstick. But today, I'm going to put on the lip gloss. And that's the end of this week's video. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And see you next time. Bye.